Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to buy Hong Kong stocks on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll walk you through this on the client portal web interface. First, you'll need to enable Hong Kong stock trading permissions if you haven't already. Click the head and shoulders icon in the upper right corner, then select Settings. On the left side, under Account Settings, find the Trading section and click Trading Permissions. Use the drop-down menus at the top to select Stocks as your product type, then request permission for Hong Kong stocks. If you're already approved for stock trading in another region, this gets granted in real time. You'll see a confirmation once the permissions update. Before you start trading, you might want to subscribe to Hong Kong market data so you get live prices instead of delayed data. Under User Settings, go to Trading Platform and select Market Data Subscriptions. Click the gear icon next to Subscriptions, select the Hong Kong region, then click Continue to confirm. Your market data subscriptions update in real time. If you're using a cash account, you'll need Hong Kong dollars in your account. Margin accounts can trade without converting currency first, but if you need to convert, you can typically use the Ideal Pro FX market or the currency conversion tool in the platform. The live spread at IBKR is typically very tight. Once the conversion goes through, you'll see your Hong Kong dollar balance in your account currencies. Now, log into the client portal and you'll see the search bar at the top. Type in the Hong Kong stock ticker. These are 4-digit codes followed by .hk. For example, Tencent is 0700.hk. When the search results appear, select the listing marked SEHK, that's the Stock Exchange of Hong Kong. The stock quote page will load with the current price and order entry form. Click the buy button to open the order ticket. In the quantity field, enter the number of shares you want to buy. Keep in mind, Hong Kong stocks trade in board lots, usually 100 shares per lot, but it varies by stock. You'll see the estimated total cost update below the quantity field. Next, choose your order type from the drop-down. If you select Limit, enter your desired limit, price. The order will only execute at that price or better. If you choose Market, the order fills immediately at the best available price. Limit orders are safer if you want price control, but they might not fill if the price never reaches your target. Set your time in force. Choose day if you want the order to cancel at the end of the trading session, or good till cancel if you want it to stay active until it fills or you cancel it manually. Since Hong Kong market hours are overnight for US investors 9:30 p.m. to midnight and 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern, many traders use good till cancel limit orders. Click Preview Order to see the full breakdown. Check the stock symbol, quantity, price, and order type. You'll also see the commission for Hong Kong stocks. That's 18 Hong Kong dollars minimum or 0.08% of the trade value. Once you've verified everything looks correct, click Submit Buy Order. The order becomes live on the exchange. You'll see it appear on your orders page and the relevant display areas turn red. To check if your order has been filled, go to the orders window and use the drop-down to view live orders. Once it executes, the trade appears on your executions page, and the stock position shows up in your portfolio window. A few quick notes. Hong Kong stocks settle on T+2, meaning trade date plus 2 business days. Board lot sizes vary by stock, so Tencent trades in lots of 100 shares, while others might be 500 or 1,000 per lot. And if you're trading during Hong Kong market hours from the US, the morning session runs 9:30 p.m. to midnight Eastern, and the afternoon session is 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. And that's how to buy Hong Kong stocks on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.